Maths, answer the following questions. If a and b be the roots of the equation minus x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of 1 over a plus 1 over b is equals to. How do you calculate the value of 1 over a plus 1 over b? What is given? A and b are the roots of the equation. Therefore, solution, f of x means minus x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is given. This one is given. From this, the sum of the root is negative b over a. From this, what is negative b? This one, the constant, the coefficient of x is b, so it is negative 2. What's a? A is negative 1, negative 1, so this is equals to 2. Again, the product of the root is c over a. A times b is equal to c over a from the quadratic formula. This is equal to what is c? 3. It's constant term. 3 over what's a? A is negative 1. So the result is negative 1. The result will be negative 3. Therefore, 1 over a, what's required? 1 over a plus 1 over b. Look, 1 over a plus 1 over b is equals to, the LCM is ab. ab by a is b. b times 1 is b plus ab by b, it is a. So what is b plus a? 2 plus negative 3. 2 plus negative 3 over a times b. A times b means 2 times negative 3. So the result will be negative 1 over negative 6. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So the result is 1 over 6. So the answer is B. Go to question number 2. Go to question number 2. If alpha and beta are the roots of, again, minus x squared minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, then the value of 1 over alpha squared plus 1 over beta squared is equals to. So how do you solve this one? Solution. What's given? Minus x squared minus x plus 2 is equal to 0 is given. From this, let us find the sum and the product of the roots. The alpha plus negative b over a. What is negative b? B is negative 1. Negative of negative 1, take care of the sign, over negative 1. So this is equal to negative 1. Alpha times beta, c over a, from the quadratic formula. What is c? The constant term. 2 over a is negative 1. It is negative 2. So what is required? Solution. What is required? 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square, I mean. So the LCM is alpha square, beta square is the LCM. Alpha square by alpha beta square by alpha square, it is beta square. So it is beta square. Alpha beta square divided by beta square, alpha square. Alpha square times 1 is alpha square. Now, this is equals to beta square plus alpha square over alpha times beta, the whole square means. Again, we don't know about beta square plus alpha square. Look, alpha plus beta, the whole square is equals to alpha square plus beta square plus twice of alpha beta. We have this. So from this, so alpha square plus beta square is equal to, transfer to the other side, alpha plus beta, the whole square minus twice of alpha beta. So from this, alpha plus beta is given. Alpha is negative 1, beta is negative 2. Therefore, negative 3, the whole square minus 2 times, what is alpha? Negative 1. What is beta? Negative 2. This is equal to 9 minus negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. So the result will be 5. Now, what is required? 1 over alpha squared, 1 over beta squared. So this one is equals to beta squared plus alpha squared is 5. Alpha times beta is negative 2 times negative 1 the whole square. So this one is equal to 5 over 2 times negative 2 times negative 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. So the result is 5 over 4. The answer is A. How do you see it? Share to your friend if you like it. Thank you.